araw ho, narito po ang aking tula mula sa buhay ng ating bayani na si Dr. Jose Rizal. Ito ho ay wikang Ingles at narito po ang aking tula. In the tapestry of time, a narrative unfolds. A chronicle of Rizal in the tales unfold. Within the sonnet of his life's grand verse, a symphony of learnings let us immerse. From Calambas cradle, a young mind stirred, inquisitive thoughts like a lyrical bird. Through childhood whispers, dreams took flight. Rizal learned in the softness of the night. Oh Rizal, your story a fountain of sight, lessons ingrained in the moon's soft light. As we step through the stanzas of your days, in your teaching find wisdoms of maze. La Solidaridad, an anthem composed for a nation yearning unity imposed. In the pages of struggle, his pen danced a melody of resistance, a destiny enhanced. No limitangere, a novel's embrace, a minor reflecting a nation's face. Through Rizal's lens, society viewed, in each chapter, a truth pursued. Mi ultimo adios, a farewell profound. In parting words, teaching resound. A martyr's legacy, a flame to ignite. Yet in Rizal's farewell, courage takes flight. In the classroom of history, a scholar stands. Rizal's lessons written in the sands. Through the passages where his footsteps tread, discover the wisdom of his life has bred. O Rizal, your story a fountain of insight. Lessons ingrained in the moon's soft light. As we step through the stanzas of your days, in your teaching find wisdom of maze. In the grand day of time, a scene unfolds. Rizal's teaching as precious as gold. Through the acts of courage, the drama unfurls. In the echoes of Rizal, discover life of pearls. From ink-stained verses to letters had scribed, Rizal's wisdom a beacon to subscribe. In the sonnet of the struggles, find the grace. A melody of resilience in every embrace. As the final notes of Rizal's tale play, his teaching echo beyond the day. In the quiet aftermath where echoes soar, his wisdom endure evermore. Thank you very much Maraming salamat po. Ito po ang aking tula na aking inaalay sa aking pagkatuto sa buhay ni Dr. Jose Rizal, ang ating bayani. Maraming salamat po ulit.